Something else I want to introduce you to, and you don't have to go into too much detail here, but I wanted to make sure you're aware of it because you will see this. There are two prices when you buy something. There's a price at which you can buy and a price at which you can sell. Now, if I buy Bitcoin, I'm buying the offer because that is being offered to me at that price. And if I'm to sell, that is the bid. So there's a price between a price at which you can buy, maybe that's $6,500 of Bitcoin, and a price at which you can sell, maybe that's $6,450. The difference between the buy and the sell in this example is $50. Now that is commonly known as the spread. The spread is simply the difference between which price you can buy and which price you can sell. Now this will become more apparent when you get into your trading career and you get more in depth as to what's going on because you'll see this listed all over the place. But once again, it's something that you need to be aware of. You don't need to know everything about it at this point. We'll leave that for later on. But right now, the offer is the buy side and the bid is the sell side. The difference between the two is called the spread.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.